channel. My name is Larissa and I'm gonna show you a few more Christmas DIY that are easy to make, affordable, they look good. I think it looks more expensive than what it costs. So I hope you enjoy it and I hope this video can help you get inspired to create some quick little DIYs for your home. And yeah, let's get started. Let me show you what I got. This one was one of my favorites and it was the first time that I actually used alcohol ink, but it was super easy to use. I just dripped a little bit into a glass ornament and I used a hair dryer to help me dry faster. I also tried with the plastic ornament and I think I got the same result. The secret to this one is just to work little by little, because if you put way too much, it's just gonna get all dark, and I liked it better when I waited for it to dry before actually adding a little more of the drips. I felt like that helped me get like this effect that you see on the video instead of just mixing the whole thing together. I got this kit with 3 colors from Hobby Lobby and it came with the caramel, ginger and latte. I think I feel like it would be pretty if I had like a different color as well, because those are all a little like brown, reddish, but honestly I'm pretty happy with how it turned out with just those colors. The next DIY is also one of my favorite. I just love them. But I had those cup holder, I forgot how you call it, but you put on the table to not get it dirty. And I also had those hooks in my closet and I was like, it's been years that I don't use those cup holder thing, just because it doesn't really match my aesthetic anymore. So I was like, I might be able to do something with them. So I cut out the second hook part of this little hook. I don't know if that makes sense, but I wanted to make the top flat so I could glue it using E6000 so that it's not coming out. But anyways, glue it to the cup thing, and then I just cleaned up the excess glue and added those clamps and I left it to dry overnight. Then the next day I spray painted them black, and I actually had gotten some Nutcrackers at Michael's. They also have it at Hobby Lobby 60% off. But anyways, I spray painted both the Nutcrackers and the cup holder little things just black. Then I used rubbing buff. I used the antique gold just to give a metallic vintage feel to them. Then I used E6000 to glue the Nutcrackers to the cup thing. Wait, I'm gonna look this name up right now. Okay, I'm back and the name is Coaster. Fancy. This mini one, I actually had it from Target Dollar Spot, so I used one of them to make my dog's stocking holder, which again, it's not a holder, it's a hanger. For this next one, I got this clear plastic ornament and I just removed the cap and sprayed this looking glass spray into it. But before I could spray, I struggled to open this thing. Damn. What? Do I really need a tool to open this? Who designed this? Why do I need a tool to open this? No. Oh my god. Let me see. Okay, I don't really have a tool, but I have this. Let's see. No? Come on. Oh, sure. Well, that didn't do much. I just broke it. Okay, I don't know. Damn! I'm never closing this if I ever get it open. Oh, damn. Wow. This was hard. And like my outfit. Beautiful, right? Anyways, so I sprayed it into the ornament and I used a hair dryer to just help it dry faster. And you don't want to completely dry it because you're gonna want to spray it with the water and vinegar before it's completely dry. If you let it completely dry, it's gonna have no effect on the paint, which is what I kinda did on the first try. And from here on, it's just gonna depend on the effect you want. You're gonna keep drying and putting more paint, more of the water vinegar, and so on. I use this hammered copper to give it a little of copper color, and then I also use some of my black spray paint and some of metallic gold. Now I already had those spray paints, so that's why I use those. So if you have any color at home, just try them out, or if you don't have any, you can just grab some. Like, I guess just the metallic gold and the black one would work, because I did feel like the copper was a little too pinkish, but I liked how it turned out though. I hate spray painting without this because it spray paints my finger. So let's put this on. After I was done with the ornament, I just spray painted the caps. I used the black one and then some vinegar and water and the hammered copper to give that vintage look. I really like how the vinegar and water just gave it like some texture, because the spots that the water was at, like the spray paint didn't quite adhere to it. I don't know how to explain, but you can see on the video. In this ornament, I'm actually using it around my house just as a decoration piece, just to give a little touch of festivity without having way too much decoration going on. And to finish up this video, this one is super easy, but it looks so cute. I got those fall florals at Hobby Lobby at 90% off, and I really just cut them out and placed them into this clear ornament. And this paired with a little velvet ribbon, chef's kiss. Simple, cute, easy, everything we like. And if you don't like those fall florals, you can make this with basically anything. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you got inspired. Let me know down in the comments which DIY was your favorite. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more.